All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about NEO, give you all an updated price prediction for this stock. You guys can see that it definitely exceeded our expectations from our current prediction, which was produced on the 10th of July. It's up there around $4.90 pre-market, and our ultimate TP price was around $4.10, which was only 11.14% when it was hit, maybe 2 days, a day after we did the price prediction. So just imagine if you're still in the market right now in NEO. On the close of yesterday, that's around 32% move to the upside. So if you're still in that, congratulations. But we're going to talk about the market now and see what price is anticipated to do going forward without the confusion. I appreciate it. As always, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So now, first thing I'm going to do is clean up this chart because these sell pockets here in the market for NEO did not stop the buyers from moving the price up. So we need to get rid of these sell pockets here, and we're going to create areas of buying now. Okay, so this is going to be our first pocket of buying that we're going to create. You can see that there's one right around this area here, so I'm going to try to break that down on the hourly chart to see if we could get a cleaner look of where the pocket is for NEO. So yeah, it might be right around here. That's on 11. Let's look at this on the 5 real quick. Okay, let's look at it on the 3. Okay, so yeah, we'll keep that just like that on the 3. I'm sorry, for the buy pocket in NEO. And look at this on the 11. I mean the 5-hour chart. And this area right here is being plagued by sellers now. Okay, so we're going to create a sell pocket right there in NEO. Here's the ultimate one right there around $5.20 for NEO. But overall, looking at this on the 5-hour chart, we're just seeing the market in NEO consolidate. That's all it's doing, which gives us an opportunity to try to determine which of the market participants, the buyer or the seller, is more determined right now. Currently, I will have to give it to the buyers, all because currently the price is in favor of buyers, i.e. trend is going up. And then secondly, look at this on the 5-hour chart, the sellers did not capitalize off of this move right there. They didn't do it. And they did not capitalize off of this move right here. The buyers were stronger in NEO right there around $4.38 to $4.46 than the sellers. And that's why the market currently is in an upward move. And now we need to see if the sellers are going to approach and be stronger than the buyers. Because if they are now within the sell pocket, then that just simply tells us that we're going to see the market continue to consolidate. All right, so let's look at this on a couple of different time frames. Again, this is on the daily chart for NEO. The 15th of August was a very good day. Market ended up 8%. That's very good to see that for the buyers. Here it is on the 2. Okay, you're supposed to see when price bars print, you're supposed to see a reaction after the print. Okay, so like on this 2-day price bar, this is an introduction of where sellers hit the market, and you're expecting to see price go lower, and it did, but it wasn't severe. It wasn't that bad. Same thing for this 2-day price bar. It's telling us that the market is weak, that sellers are present. You're supposed to see a reaction of price falling, but you didn't see that. Same thing for this 2-day price bar. We're not seeing the reaction of selling after these sell bars are printed, which tells us that it is contrarian. It's meaning that somebody is definitely more determined to continue to buy this stock in NEO because they don't want to see it to fall. And they're doing it right in this area right here. Okay, so again, that tells us that the market is currently still being controlled by the buyers. Now, it doesn't mean that the market is going to continue to break out. It just tells us that they're the one currently controlling the price because they can actually relinquish that control right now in that pocket. Okay, here it is on the 4, NEO on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. 2 weeks, 3, 5 in a month. So look at this on the 5-weekly chart. Look at the last 5-weekly price bar right there. That's a very big move. Almost the same spread of this 5-weekly price bar. So yeah, I think there's still time for the price in NEO to try to go up. Given all the time frames that we've seen, we're going to go ahead and look for price in NEO to go higher. Real simple. And we're going to try to target, let's move this sell pocket up here. And we're going to try to target $5.36. Now, again, we're at the sell pocket right now. So if the market doesn't go higher, you already know, because I'm telling you that that will be the reason. That will be the only thing that will go against this price prediction, is us not seeing price break this pocket of selling, which is still a chance. I mean, it can happen. So we don't have to question. We don't have to wonder. We don't have to say, well, this price prediction was wrong. No, we've predicted that there's still a chance that price can get rejected in that sell pocket. It's just things that go against a probable gain, which is what the stock market is when you're anticipating where price is going to go. So we're going to start to target $5.36. That is 10% there. Next target will be at the high of that sell pocket, which is around 11.7% there. Okay. Now, the market may get rejected initially at this sell pocket. Price comes lower until buyers regain their footing and then continue to break that market to the upside. So yeah, we'll leave it like this for the moment. Given all the different time frames is why we're anticipating that the market in NEO is still aiming for higher prices. And long term, we can see it run all the way up to like $5.85. But we're going to pull that back a little bit. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts. As always, make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.